How many designers and developers do you need to launch a chatbot? 4, maybe middles? Joking. You can launch a chatbot all by yourself. Hi, welcome to the Dashley YouTube channel, and here we share our experience and expertise in sales, marketing and support. In the previous video, we were talking about chatbots and why they don't bring you the results you are waiting for. Yeah, you said chatbot will bring tons of leads, so where are they? Chatbot sucks, or is it me? And today I'll tell you how to launch a chatbot without developers and designers' help, and how to make maximum use of Chatbot Builder. This is a common fear for all marketers. You have a task to launch a chatbot on your company's website, but you have no coding skills. And what's more crucial, you don't have time to grapple with this question. And launching is not the end. A marketer has to make many changes in a chatbot to approve or reject the hypos. And this is a solution, a Chatbot Builder. Every marketer without coding skills and plenty of time will manage to master it. Watch the video with instructions to a Chatbot Builder here and show it to your grandma. She will also manage it. Also, we have a list of ready templates, so catch them in the link in the description. Marketers are in love with Chatbot Builders, and that's why Chatbot Builder is okay with one marketer. It needs no developers, no designers, due to its simple interface. A Chatbot Builder is an ideal instrument for testing hypotheses because you can test them fast, you don't need to wait for anyone. You can test more because you don't need to wait for anyone, and you do everything fast. And even if you fail, you will not blame anyone, but for yourself. Different chatbots should fulfill different tasks. One chatbot for tech support and another one for lead capture. Such a division improves conversion rate, and yes, this sounds like a lot of work, but with Chatbot you can handle this.
Zach here, this is kicking. This is Billy, all systems go.
Trini here, ready to rock. Hey, nice stereo.
A Chatbot Builder allows to change and monitor the work of a chatbot. And I know you want it, but try not to make a monster chatbot from the very beginning. Try to limit the number of nodes and branches. You will spend a lot of time, but who knows if a visitor will follow your flow. Every step of a chat cuts about 30% of conversion rate. So make your chatbot short, analyze the results, and only then start experimenting. So good luck with the chatbots, and if you have any questions, you know what to do. I'm always here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and love yourself.